I've spent the last few months cycling through different stacks, trying to find the best steroids for cutting fat and building muscle, or at least the legal, safer alternatives that actually work. I bought these 5 supplements, lived on them, and hit the gym hard to see which ones are legit and which are just expensive flour.
Product number 1, Power Cut Triple with MLT 97. When I first cracked open this bottle of Power Cut, I noticed the capsules are standard size, easy to swallow, which is a big plus because you're taking 2 a day. The MLT 97 formula is their big selling point, and I felt it pretty quickly. About 30 minutes after my morning dose with breakfast, I felt this steady climb and focus. It's not a jittery, heart-racing feeling, it's more of a get things done vibe. I used this during a particularly busy week at work while still trying to cut, and it honestly kept me from reaching for the office snacks. The biggest thing I noticed was the thirst. You really have to hit those 3 liters of water like the label says, or you'll feel a bit dry. But because I was so hydrated and energized, my afternoon workouts felt way more productive. If you struggle with midday brain fog and want to keep your metabolism humming without feeling like you've had 10 espressos, this is a solid choice for staying on track.
Product number 2, Insane Labs SAW. The packaging for SAW is classic Insane Labs. Looks a bit aggressive, and the formula matches that energy. When I held the canister, I expected something intense, and it delivered. It uses alpha-yohimbinine, which I usually find a bit hit or miss, but here it's balanced well with L-tyrosine and GABA. During my fasted cardio sessions, this stuff was a beast. I noticed my body temperature stayed higher than usual. That's the thermogenic effect kicking in, and I was sweating way more than I do on just black coffee. The GABA is a smart addition because it smooths out the stimulant edge, so I didn't have that nasty crash 3 hours later. It definitely suppressed my appetite. I wasn't even thinking about lunch until well past 2 p.m. I'd say if you're already lean and trying to saw through those last few pounds of stubborn belly fat, this is the high-potency option you want. It's definitely for the more experienced lifter who handles stimulants well.
Product number 3, Nutrex Research Anabol Ripped and Nighttime Combo. This is a 2-bottle system, and I love the logic behind it. The daytime pills focus on that hard muscle look while burning calories, but the blue nighttime bottle was the real surprise for me. Usually, fat burners mess up my sleep, but this combo actually helped me pass out and wake up feeling recovered. The Anabol Ripped capsules felt like they were working on my muscle density. I noticed after about 2 weeks that my shoulders and chest looked a bit tighter and less soft, even though I hadn't changed my protein intake. The nighttime half of the duo really helps with that post-leg day soreness. I wasn't tossing and turning with restless legs like I sometimes do when I'm in a deep calorie deficit. It's a very convenient 2-in-1 approach. If you're someone who hates buying 5 different bottles and wants a simplified AM/PM routine that covers both fat loss and muscle recovery while you sleep, go with Nutrex.
Product number 4, Jacked Factory Burn XT and Lean PM Stack. Jacked Factory always keeps it simple with their veggie caps, and I appreciate that they don't hide behind proprietary blends. I can see exactly how much green tea and caffeine I'm getting. When I started the Burn XT, I liked that it gave me a very predictable energy boost. It didn't make me feel weird or anxious, just ready to move. The Lean PM was great because it's stimulant-free. I took it about 45 minutes before bed, and it helped me ignore those late-night fridge rates. I noticed my weight stayed more consistent on the scale even during cheat weekends, likely because the thermogenic boost kept my metabolic rate up. It's not a magic pill, and the brand is honest about that, which I respect. It's a support tool. If you're a vegan or someone who prefers clean, transparent ingredients and wants a reliable stack that supports your hard work without any mystery chemicals, this is the one I put in my cabinet.
Product number 5, Snap Supplements Nitric Oxide Booster. This one is a bit different because it's not a traditional fat burner, but it's essential for that muscle part of the equation. These capsules are packed with L-arginine and L-citrulline. When I took these about 30 minutes before hitting the weights, the pump was incredible. My veins were popping and my muscles felt full and tight, which is exactly what you want when you're cutting and worried about looking flat. The inclusion of Tribulus and Panax ginseng gave me a nice natural stamina boost without any caffeine. I felt like I could add an extra set to every exercise without hitting a wall. It really helps with the blood flow, which means more oxygen to the muscles and faster recovery. It's gluten-free and vegan, which is great for my dietary needs. If your main goal is to keep your strength up and look shredded and full while you lose weight, adding this nitric oxide booster to your routine is a total must.